Hi guys, my name is Gil. Welcome to Crypto Time channel. Today I'm gonna talk about candlesticks charts and how to read it. So you know the drill. Please consider subscribe, hit that bell to get the latest from our channel. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram. Let's run the intro. So everyone, I hope you are very well. And no further ado, let's jump into the charts. Here we are, and we have two candlesticks, right? So first things first, the candlestick chart, was created by a Japanese rice trader. So you can check it out, the history of candlestick charts on Google. Check it out. I'm not going to go deep on that subject, but I want you to know that the candlestick charts, they are used on the stock market and also on the crypto market as well. So it's a very useful tool. So and the idea behind it is to have all the price action for a certain time frame. Okay, so let's talk about, I will talk about that in a minute, but let's talk about the structure of a candlestick. So first thing we have, let's pick this up on our left hand side. We have a green candle. Okay, so we have a green candle. So let's pick the green candle first, and the idea will be basically the same for the red candle. Okay, so the on the green candle we have basically three things. Okay, on the candle, the red candle is the same idea. Okay, so first thing we have is the upper wick or shadow, so some people call it shadow, and we have a lower wick or lower shadow. Okay, and finally we have the full body of a candle, which is this rectangle part. Okay, so again we have the wicks or the shadows, so the upper and the lower. Sometimes we don't have it, but that's another story. But it's good to know the structure. And we also have the full body of a candle. Okay, so the full body is the rectangle part. Okay, so that being said, I think we can move to what everything here represents. So the green candle is basically the bullish candle, right? Which means the market is going up in an uptrend, or the price of that asset is going up. So again, is depends on the time frame. We will talk about that as well. So for the green candle, so the market is going up, which is good, right? So on the green candle, we're gonna have the opening or the open of that candle at the bottom of the body. Okay, so here is gonna be the open for that candle. Okay, and the close of that candle will be the top part of the full body. Okay, so again, we're gonna have here the opening. Okay, we're gonna have here the opening, and we're gonna have here, the close of that candle. All right, so the wicks, they represent the maximum or the minimum for that price in that time frame. So let me clean this. First. So the market is so this bullish candle opens here. Okay, so that means, so let's bring down this rectangle. So the market opened here and could be gone all the way down to the minimum price of, let's say we are talking about the daily chart. Okay, so on the daily chart, a candle represents a day. So on that day, the market opens. So this candle is gonna open here, okay, at that level, and let's say goes all the way down here, and then the bulls start buying and pushing the price all the way up to the top, and then the bears are selling, and then now the market close somewhere right here. So now we have again the close position here. So you got the idea, right? So the market opened here and then moved sometime in that day, moved to the minimum price for that day, and sometime moved to the the peak of that day, so the highest price for that day, and then moved back to the certain level, the close level. Okay, so again, just to recap, we have the opening. So we have the opening level, we have the close or closing level, and we have the minimum. We have the minimum price for that asset in that period of time, and the maximum price for that period of time. Okay, so now moving to the red candle, the idea is the same. Okay, so again, the difference now between the red candle and the green candle is that the red candle now is telling us that the market is bearish. Okay, which means the price is going down. So the market is falling down. Okay, so now the price is going down. And again, we have the same idea where we're gonna have a full body wicks, so upper and lower. But now the difference is instead of having the close at the the upper part of the rectangle of the body, we're gonna have the opening. Okay, so on the red candle, the opening level is the high parts of the full body. Okay, and now the close of the red rectangle will be the lowest part of the lowest level of that full body. Okay, so that's the difference. So let's bring this rectangle all the way up. So the market opens. So the market opens here, okay, at this level, and let's say the bulls start buying, and then reach the maximum for that day and start dropping, and reach now the the lowest price for that day in our next example, and then close at this level. Okay, so that's the movement of bearish candle. Okay, so let me go back to the screen and maybe so this will be the open. So this will be the open. So this will be the open for, okay, this will be the open for the bearish candle, okay, and this will be the open for the green candle. Okay, and here we're gonna have the close level of a bearish candle. Okay, and here we're gonna have a close for of a green candle. All right, and then and then again, once again, here we have the maximum price, and here we have the minimum price, and that works the same for the green as well as for the red candle. All right, so now let's see that on the chart. So let's come to the chart. Let me expand that. Yeah. So here, guys, we are on the Bitcoin weekly chart. Okay. So now we can talk about the candles and also the giveaways. Okay. So the candles, as you can see, you can have, red and green candles. Of course, you can change that, those colors going through properties, stuff like that. But in general, we will see green and red candles. Okay, so let's pick one candle. Let's pick this one, this red candle, just for instance. Okay, let's zoom it in so you can see better. So this red candle, okay, this red candle, what we see here is the price, again, for the red candle, the price opens here, okay, and then we had, for that week, remember, we are on weekly chart, so every candle represents the data of 1 week of negotiations or trades, okay, in the market. So we have the maximum here, and here we're gonna have the close, okay, the close for this, the close level for this candle, and finally the minimum price will be the end of this lower wick or lower shadow. Okay, so that means that week, November 2021, we had, that candle. Okay, we had a candle, a bearish candle. Okay, now if we go, let's see, if we pick one more candle, this time around green candle. So let's pick this this green candle right here. So let's pick this green candle. So now what we have is, okay, let's pick this green candle right here. Okay, so now for this green candle, we have the, the close. Let's talk about the, the opening first. I think is better. So the green candle, so the open level is right here. Okay, it's right here at the bottom of the full body. And now what we have is the close of that candle is right here. Okay, and we have the maximum price right at the top of that wick, and at the bottom of the lower wick we have the minimum price for that wick. Okay, so let's remove the drawings. So again, for the green candle we would have the close, okay, the close, the opening, and then the maximum price, the minimum price. Okay, this almost the same for the red candle. So we're gonna have the opening on the top. So we have the opening here, then we have the close here, and then the maximum price, and finally the minimum price for that week. Okay, one more giveaway, guys, is so again, that will depend on your the time frame you're using. So right now is week, so if you change that, you can change that to daily charts, so every single candle will represent a day of trades. So what we actually have on a candle is all the data, you know, for that period of time. So all the data are there. Okay, all the data is there, and that's important to know. So the minimum and the maximum price, and you know, and the price between, which is the, you know, the full body. So I hope you enjoyed this video, because I think that's everything I want to, you know, to show you this time. And so again, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please, again, consider subscribe, hit that bell, you know the drill, all that stuff. Have a great day, and see you on the next video.